Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to the Puma team for sending these my way. Today we are going to be doing an overview on the Puma Easy Rider in the black colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about a new silhouette that we've yet to cover on the channel. Thanks to the Puma team for thinking of me so that I can do a full unboxing and styling on these. But these are known as the Puma Easy Riders. So we'll go through the overview, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this nice classy looking sneaker. Then we'll conclude with where you can find these and how much they're currently going on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. One of the sneakers I've definitely been seeing a resurgence with is definitely this Puma Easy Rider. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing these on foot in the city. I do think that it's a very sleek and stylish looking shoe, especially since the trend right now has kind of switched into that chunkier style shoe into a more European slender fit. This sneaker originated back in 1977, which was when it was first released, and that was kind of during the popular 1970s era of jogging. So this was a great jogger back then, and they have kind of revamped it by bringing it back from the 70s, and it is just popping up everywhere as a really just nice looking sneaker. As far as the materials go, you'll see that the upper is covered in nylon and this nice smooth suede in a simple black tone. And then we've got black laces with a nylon tongue that's nice and slender. And then we do have the Puma branding underneath in a pop of green. You also get an additional set of laces here in a white tone. So if you do want to swap those black laces out, you're able to do that. All right, so let's take a look at those details and move along to the side paneling. Alright, so wrapping around to the side panels, we're getting some nice smooth tumbled white leather here on top of the black nylon, and then on the back we've got the Puma logo in a nice pop of metallic gold on top of that smooth tumbled white leather. And then on the lateral side we have the same color blocking, except we are getting the Puma Easy Rider branding as well as the Puma logo in gold. The interior has a nice soft terry cloth material for the collar, and then the insole is in a nice shimmery gold tone for the print. And then the sneaker is completed with this off-white midsole, and what I think really brings the sneaker together is this gum bottom for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. far as size and fit goes, I stuck true to size with this one. Again, this is a bit of a narrow, slender fitting sneaker. So if you do have flatter, wider feet, I would actually recommend sizing half a size up in these. But if you do have high arch, narrow feet like myself, I feel like true to size works really well. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, this has just been one of the trendier sneakers that I've seen a lot of people wearing. A lot of that has to do with the affordability on these, but I also just think the materials that they used and the quality on this specific one looks really good in hand. So as far as this color combination, super easy to style this one. So I decided to go very simplistic with a long black maxi dress. I think that dresses will coordinate quite nicely with this, especially if you keep it very monochromatic and simple. For the second look, I decided to bring some patterns into the mix since you do have this really cool gum bottom texture and color. So I went with a leopard printed button down shirt with a matching mini skirt. And then for the last and final look, decided to go pretty casual with a graphic tee and some wide length light denim pants. So as far as retail goes, these retail at $90. You can actually currently find these on sale at different retailers, but overall, as far as the price point goes, these are a steal for what you're getting quality-wise. And some of the places I actually saw these going for $60, which is really hard to find as far as like a good-looking, high-quality lifestyle shoe. So definitely check these out if you haven't already and you're looking for a bargain. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all next episode.
I like it the way I move.